Yeah, hello viewers and my dear students. See, today our topic is a new topic, that is your active passive. In the previous class, I was telling you that today onwards we will be proceeding towards active passive. Thing is, before you need to know what is active and what is passive. And in order to understand passive, we need to know the transitive and intransitive verb. If we don't know transitive or intransitive, then it will be difficult to understand active passive. See, first of all, as I am telling now, ki transitive, what is transitive and what is intransitive? A transitive verb. Transitive verb is a verb that consists of an object. See the observe this sentence. Examples are the best way to understand. This transitive verb sentence is Lata sings a song. Very common sentence. Lata sings a song. Now question comes, in this sentence what is a verb? Verb is sings. Now Lata sings, and how can we get to know an object? Yeah, a song is object, because Lata sings what? If we put a question mark what in front of the finite verb is your sings. So Lata sings what? The question is Lata sings what? The answer is a song. Lata गाती है. क्या गाती है? एक गाना. So in this way, if we put the question what in front of the finite verb, यानी main verb के सामने अगर हम what question put करते हैं तो हमें object मिलता है. That particular sentence, this sentence structure is called transitive verb sentence. This is transitive verb sentence. Transitive verb sentence, because this verb is flexible, changeable. ये चेंज किया जा सकता है. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में क्या होता है? देखो, ये चेंज नहीं हो सकता. लता सिंग्स, हाउ? लता सिंग्स व्हाट क्वेश्चन पुट करो, जवाब नहीं है. लता सिंग्स व्हाट? वी डोंट गेट एनी आंसर. लता सिंग्स हाउ? स्वीटली. हाउ का जवाब है हाउ. इफ वी पुट द क्वेश्चन हाउ इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनी फाइनाइट वर्ब, then only we get an adverb, not an object. So this is called intransitive. We cannot change. These things cannot be changed. How? देखो, इसको हम पैसिव नहीं बना सकते. लता sings sweetly नहीं बना सकते. लता sings a song, we can convert into passive. That is why it is called transitive. A song is sung by Lata. A song is sung. Now sings sung में बदल गया. तो what is transitive? Transitive means what is changeable. Transit हो सकता है, verb को बदला जा सकता है, but tense is same. Lata sings a song, simple present tense. A song is sung by Lata, that is also simple present tense. So in this way, whenever we get the object, those sentences we call them transitive verb sentences, and these sentences can be converted into passive. We cannot convert intransitive verb sentences into passive. Try to understand this fast. See, second sentence is, some examples will help you to understand better. See, Rohit plays cricket. रोहित क्या करता है? क्रिकेट खेलता है. तो रोहित प्लेस के सामने यहाँ पे व्हाट क्वेश्चन पुट करो. रोहित प्लेज व्हाट, तो इसका जवाब आता है क्रिकेट. रोहित प्लेज व्हाट? रोहित प्लेज क्रिकेट. इसके जवाब है, तो ये दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, नाउ सी द सेंटेंस हियर. रोहित प्लेज इन द स्टेडियम. व्हाट का जवाब नहीं है. कहाँ? स्टेडियम में. तो ये रोहित प्लेज व्हाट का जवाब नहीं है. क्रिकेट, बिकॉज क्रिकेट इज नॉट देयर. रोहित प्लेज इन द स्टेडियम. दिस सेंटेंस यू कैनॉट कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसिव बिकॉज इट इज इंट्रांजिटिव. यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट नील. तो दिस आप कोशिश करो इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए पैसिव में, होगा नहीं, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट इज नील. ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट देयर. So this sentence we can convert into passive. Rohit plays cricket. Convert into negative. Rohit doesn't play cricket. Does Rohit play? Doesn't Rohit play? All these sentences can be converted into passive because objects are there. How can we get to know an object, whether in a sentence object is there or not? So many sentences are there. So in the sentence, how can we come to know whether object is there or not? Process is there. We have to put the question. You see, the process to know whether the sentence consists of an object or not. put the question mark what? Put the question mark what in front of the finite verb. ये finite verb है, finite verb के सामने what question put करो. दूसरे तरीका है to whom. What and to whom? These two possible WS family. These are WS family. What is a WS family? Whom is WS family? So many WS families are there, like where, when, which, how, why. So many WS families are there. They cannot bring us object. Okay, they cannot bring us object. Only what and to whom. See how we can use to whom. See, the teacher, this is subject. The teacher teaches. देखो first, the teacher teaches me English. The teacher teaches me English. The teacher teaches to whom. अगर to whom पूछा जाए किसको, to whom means किसको. The teacher teaches to whom. तो इसका जवाब है me. तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट नंबर 1 प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्ट है ये. The teacher teaches to whom, तो me. What? Another question you put करो. Double object. In this sentence we have two objects. So double object. Now object number 2. This is secondary object. Primary object. Mostly we get the primary object in a they are alive. Me, him, her. Okay. Those who can act, they are alive. We get in a primary object like me, us, हमें, the children, बच्चों को. The teacher teaches Rohit, person. तो कोई भी हो सकता है, that is primary object. We can convert into passive. But here you see in this type of double objects are there, we can also convert into passive as per our needness. Passive में हमें क्या priority मिलता है. अगर me को priority देना चाहते हो, the teacher teaches me English, तो I am taught English. I is given the priority, me is given the priority, so I am taught English. अगर आप इंग्लिश को प्रायोरिटी देते हो देन इंग्लिश इज टॉट टू मी. इंग्लिश इज टॉट टू मी. तो इंग्लिश सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट वी कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसिव. इंग्लिश इज टॉट टू मी, बट आई लेट यू नो व्हेन आई विल बी टीचिंग एक्टिव पैसिव इन सीक्वेंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should understand the tenses also. Most important thing, you have to understand transitive and intransitive. Thereafter your second thing is that you should know all the tenses thoroughly. Okay, at least for 8 tenses that we convert into passive: present 3, past 3, and 2 future. Present, past 3 present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect. Similarly, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and simple future and future perfect. These 8 tenses can be converted into passives. Rest of the 4 tenses we cannot convert into passive. The first of all we should know what is transitive, what is intransitive. Thereafter we have to understand all the tense rules. Then only you can proceed to your passive voice, because passive is treated as advanced English part. Commonly, in common, those who the beginners, they learn basic English, they mostly they cannot use passive voice, because you have to, if you want know thoroughly, thereafter you should have enough practice. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो, तब धीरे धीरे आपको पैसिव समझ में भी आएगा, और thereafter you can try to use them. Let us see the next sentence. The children don't, negative sentence also, no problem. The children don't play. Don't play what? Cricket. Children don't play cricket. Similarly, do the children play cricket? Convert into passive. The children don't play cricket. Cricket is not played by the children. By the children is not necessary. Whenever anybody is putting question, you know necessary to by whom. It is understood only. Okay, Neha doesn't sing a song. Neha doesn't sing a song. Convert into passive. Neha doesn't sing what? यहाँ पे question put करो what? Your answer is sung. So in this way, any question, whether it is positive, negative, interrogative, negative, interrogative, any question, put the question what in front of the finite verb. If one answer is there, then that is passive. That we can convert into passive. Put the question what and to whom. Remember, what and to whom, double objects. So always in every sentence we don't get double object. Even so many sentences are there, we don't get any object, like intransitive. See the sentence structure here. Lata sings how? Sweetly. Try to convert into passive, it will not be converted into passive, not possible. Rohit plays where? In the stadium. You cannot convert into passive because it is intransitive sentence, intransitive verb sentences. The teacher teaches in the class. Where का जवाब है. That Rohit plays where? In the stadium. The teacher teaches where? In the class. No passive. Because object is nil. The children don't play in the park. Whether it is positive, negative, interrogative, negative interrogative. If objects are not there, then you cannot convert into passive. That you have to understand. Though the children don't play, Neha doesn't sing well. Negative sentence, but object is nil. You cannot convert into passive. Do you play in the park? Question. Cannot convert into passive because in the park object is nil. So whatever may be the sentence, whether it is transitive or intransitive, if it is object is there, then you think it is transitive, possible. May be positive, negative, interrogative, कोई भी sentence क्यों ना हो, हम उसे convert कर सकते हैं. If object is there, if object is not there, we cannot convert into passive. Simple thing. हमें first of all find out करना होगा कोई sentence object है या नहीं, कैसे पहचानेंगे? These two ways. Finite verb जो ये सारे finite verb है, देखो teaches finite verb, plays finite verb, sings finite verb. ये verb के सामने हम अगर क्वेश्चन पुट करेंगे what, इसका अगर जवाब मिलता है तो object, that is object. अगर जवाब नहीं मिलता है तो no object. Then to whom, this two WS family, out of so many WS families, okay, where, when, why, how, whom, which, so many are there. इनमें से केवल चुनो दो, that is to whom and what. To whom and what, इन दोनों में से अगर इनका जवाब मिल जाता है आपको, then you can convert into passive. Otherwise you don't try to convert into passive, होगा ही नहीं, because object is nil. So first of all, you have to, if you are interested to know grammar and want to understand passive voice, so first of all you have to understand transitive and intransitive verb. So many good grammar books are there, you can collect them and see what is transitive verb sentence, what is intransitive verb sentence. In this way, that those books will also help you, so that after this in the next class our topics will be total. This is only active sentence, intransitive. Passive, then this is passive, transitive. All the passives possible in transitive, this possible. But here it is not possible, here it is only active. Okay, so in the next class onwards, I will let you know all the rules one by one, first simple present tense, passive rules and question answers, and how to use them in sentences. If anybody is asking any question to you, you can, if object is there in that particular sentence, you can answer in passive. अगर वो question पूछते हैं आपसे, you easily can understand whether it is active, transitive or intransitive, or accordingly you can answer. शुरू में आपको थोड़ा सा परेशानी होगी, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करें. दैट्स वाई बिगिनर्स लेवल के जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं मोस्टली दे आंसर इन एक्टिव, उनको क्योंकि पैसिव पता नहीं है. तो अगर आपको पैसिव पता होता है और पैसिव में जवाब देते हो तो दैट सेंटेंस इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रेसिव सेंटेंस. अच्छा लगता है, इंटरव्यूअर को भी पता चलता है कि हाँ इनको ग्रामर में अच्छा नॉलेज है. सो इन दिस वे यू शुड ट्राई टू नो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल प्रोसीड टू आवर स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Present, simple present, present continuous, present, all the tense, 8 passives are there. So one by one we will proceed to all the passives.